So guys, we're interviewing the Stranger Things Lego set. So if we look here, he's Hopper and he's a pumpkin. Then you can look, you can have a look. We can open these, close them, and then that's it for Hopper. Let's look at these characters. So we have, I can't remember the name, starts with a J, and then we have Will, scared. Let's get a better focus, come and focus. Oh, he's pretty scared. Then we have Will, no, not Will, Mike. It's so blurry. And then we have Lucas. And we have Dustin. And then of course we got the Demogorgon. You can take it off. Then we got 11. Ooh, it's cool. So next we've got the outside. So you got some stepping stones. You got a little couch, little table, a plant pot. Then we've got this nice table, then a chair, and these are the nice trees on the side, the roof. Well, I just put this here. And then if we want to look at the back, and then so we can press this button, makes a light. So we got a nice couch, a big table. We got a chair, and this is the bedroom. So we got some detail under here. Nice. Click this. Go on. Mailbox. No. And then if we flip it upside down, it's basically the same. So it's pretty dark. And there's the chair. There's the table and couch, very dark. We have the bedroom, it's so dark. The roof, trees, and if we look at the front, we're missing a swing because I couldn't find it. There's a swing, the chair, that's a couch, plant pot, and the ground looks nice, cool. And that's it all together. And wait, I'm going to put it back together. So that's it all together. Let's turn up the brightness. Stranger Things. They're having some fighting action at the end. This car. Wait, done. And then, bye. Subscribe.